This is our newest update to the RAD line, the Cobra RAD 490i radar detector.
Now let's get our RAD 490i installed in the car. So for our first step, let's get the placement down. For a radar detector to perform its best, you're going to want it up high and centered under your rear view mirror. Now before we put our mount on the glass, let's take a microfiber rag, wipe off any dust that might be there. This will help the mount stick much better. So for our mount, this is our new design. It's got a screw on the right hand side. This allows you to loosen it up and adjust the angle of your detector. Tighten it to secure it. On your actual detector, you'll find this button. This is for releasing the mount. So clip it in and then press to release. Now you're going to find your spot on the windshield. Press it into your glass, give it a good long press so your adhesive sticks nicely. Then you're going to take your USB-C cable, plug it into the detector on the right hand side, and then you're going to take your included CLA adapter or just your USB-C plug depending on your car's setup and get that plugged in. Now on the left side of the detector we have our power switch. Go ahead and flip that on and you're ready to go.